Tomato is also known as Selenium lycopodium, is a fruit from the native family of South America. It is a fruit and generally used in preparing all type of vegetables. It contains a lot of amino acids. It contains a lot of antioxidants and lycopene. It reduces the risk of heart disease and cancer. Its color is usually red in a mature time. It also comes in a variety of colors, including yellow, orange, green, red, and purple color. Tomato contains 95% of water and 5% of carbohydrates available in tomato. A small 100 grams of tomato contains a calories 18%, water 95%, protein 0.9 gram, carbs 3.9 grams, sugar 2.6 grams, fiber 1.2 grams, fat 0.2 grams. Friends, carbs present in a tomato comprise 4% of raw tomato, which amount to fewer than 5 grams of carbs. Tomato contains a very small amount of sugar such as glucose and fructose, make us almost 70% of the carb content. Tomatoes also contain several amounts of vitamins such as vitamin C. This vitamin is an essential nutrient and antioxidant. One medium size of tomato contains about 28% of reference daily. Potassium is present in tomatoes. It helps to control the blood pressure of human body and prevent from heart diseases. Tomato also contains a vitamin K. Vitamin K1 also present in tomatoes, known as phyllogionine, is important for blood clotting and bone broths. Folate B9, also present in tomatoes, is good for normal growth of tissues and cell functions. Folate vitamin B9 is also very good for pregnant women. So my dear friends, without wasting a time, I make a very simple feta pasta recipe for you. The ingredients I use in feta pasta recipe is half kg of tomatoes, sausage, pasta masala, cheese, 2 onions, 2 chilies, and a mixture of coriander, cinnamon, and cloves, and leaves of fenugreek, and pasta. I advised you friends to please did not eat everyday feta pasta because it is very high in proteins and lots of carbohydrates. I advised you, my dear viewers, to eat feta pasta recipe in a week. First of all, we wash the tomatoes with boiled water and put it in a pan. Dear friends, tomato contains a substance called lycopene, and it gives them their bright red color and helps protect them from ultraviolet rays from the sun. Now boil the pasta in a fresh water for 5 to 8 minutes. Dear friends, pasta is high in carbs, which can be bad for you when consumed in large amount. It also contains gluten, a type of protein that causes issues for those who are gluten sensitive. In other hand, the pasta contains some nutrients that are important to health. Pasta is a type of noodles that traditionally made for durum with water or eggs, and pasta is especially cooked in boiling water. Now this is the time to bake the tomatoes with cheese for 7 to 8 minutes. Now add pasta masala according to your taste and a mixture of coriander, cinnamon, cloves in a pan and bake for 4 to 5 minutes in a pan. Now add 2 chilies in a pan. Now we bake all the ingredients gently 3 to 4 minutes in a pan. And dear friends, tomato contains A. Potassium, vitamin B and E. My dear viewers, tomatoes have substance called lutein and zeaxanthin that may help protect our eyes from the blue lights made by digital devices like smartphones and computers. In another pan, we fry the onion with cheese. Now add a leaves of fenugreek in a pan and cook for 1 to 4 minutes. Add a iodized salt according to your taste and a mixture of coriander, cinnamon and cloves also used in this feta pasta recipe. Now mix and cook all the ingredients gently, and when the color is changed into deep brown, it means our gravy is ready. Now add pasta in a pan and mix it. Now add 1 tablespoon of sauce in a pasta. Oh wow, tomatoes looks very gorgeous. Now it's time to transfer the tomatoes in a pasta pan and mix gently. Dear friends, now we whisk a tomatoes cheese in a well manner and mix gently. Now suppers the tomatoes with cheese gently. Now we add the tomatoes in a pasta pan and mix gently. Dear friends, feta pasta recipe is most searchable in all social media platforms you like YouTube, Twitter, Instagram and other platforms. So this is a very famous recipe my dear friends, and please try it in your home. Dear friends, pasta dishes are high in proteins, which is essential for muscles growth and development. Protein assists the body metabolism and cellular processes, and also defends against disease through optimal immune functions. So this is a very good recipe my dear friends, and please try it in your home. Dear friends, in UK, pasta earns a reputation for being dense in calorie, which is not always what you fancy. However, many of our dishes have fewer than 600 calories per serving. Thank you for watching Parvinder Singh Cooking.